Hi everyone, this is Angus, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of Who Gives a Crap recycled toilet paper. It comes in recycled packaging, which is great. On the side, we have some things that the brand contributes to, which I think is great. The brand donates money, 50% of the profits, to clean water and toilets, which I think is great. It's also a B certified corporation. On the side, we just have the branding. It's got a bit of personality, it's a bit of fun. And I think that's what I really like about the brand. Again, when you look at these, colors, it's vibrant, it's playful, it's also quite creative. So let's get them all out. Okay, so here are all the rolls, and let's just have a quick look at the packaging. So we get it open. I think it's really great that there's no plastic here. It's something that used to really frustrate me, so it's great that this can be recycled. I think the toilet paper itself is high quality and it's soft. I also think it's quite good value. I paid around £28 for all of this. And I looked back at how long it's lasted me when I last purchased this. And this has lasted me 9 months. So that is for one person. And again, I weigh around 63 kilograms, just to give you a rough idea. And I live on a vegan diet. I'm quite conservative when it comes to toilet paper. So I try to use as little as I can. To spend around, 40 quid on toilet paper, divide that by 12. I don't think it's that bad at all. I think it's a really great brand. I really appreciate how they donate to charity. I think the brand is quite creative. And to be honest, I have absolutely nothing negative to say about this brand. This is actually the 3rd time that I've bought these, and that's because I enjoyed them so much. Again, I've paid this with my own money, and I really, really like this product. I think it's great. I haven't tried the bamboo toilet paper. I'm just gonna stick to the recycled toilet paper because I know this works for me. One thing I also like is they have this emergency roll. They have 3 of those. Again, that's quite useful. It's sort of like a reminder for when you need to get some. I have also tried the kitchen roll from Who Gives a Crap, and it's great. I think that was around £16 for 6 rolls. This was £28. So again, really brilliant. So because of that, I'm going to give it 5 out of 5, and I would thoroughly recommend it. So there is my review and unboxing of this. Thank you so much for watching.